Okay, we're just doing a quick demonstration on batching on the S600 for liquids. At the present moment, I've just got some basic flow set up for 2 streams feeding into a station. So the first thing we need to do is go to Operator, Batch Current, and the batch stack. Here's where you define your actual batch. So we're going to edit into there. We're going to set this batch up to be 55. Okay, it's going to be product 1. We'll give it a ticket number 10. We set a pre-alarm at 90%. Okay. So at the moment, these numbers here are showing from before. I'm going to go to define. I'll now pull those numbers we just put in there. So the 55. We're accepted, we're waiting, we're batched as defined. Now we need to start the batch. The batch will start. Waiting for the streams to turn up, open the valves. Currently, we're at 1468. You'll see if you go to reports, it'll actually show you the last batch report. Will say the actual meter when it was opened. Okay, so that's the first part of the batch. It's an official ticket, and you'll see exactly what the streams were actually at that point as well for the 2 streams we've got. Go back to our operator and the batch control. It's already finished our 55. So the batch is now completed. We go back to our reports. We find there's another report generated with our initial and our final one. And we measured 57 meters cubed, 5 volt. At the moment, the net mass is at 0.74. Now my BS&W is at 98.291. So now if we go back, we can then, if necessary, change that BS&W to say 85.1. We're going to do a recalculation on the batch. And choose yes. Everything worked okay. We now go back to our reports. That was our original one, which had 0.74 tons and 98.291, which isn't marked recalculated. Once we did the recalculation, we've now gone to 6.42 tons and 85.123 is what the numbers we put in there. Okay, so that shows you basically how it would do a recalculation. The report is also marked always for that. We used the operator batch stack to do the correction there. If you wanted to look at older tickets, you can go back to the recall ticket here, choose the ticket number you want to actually be able to recalculate. You can recalculate over a complete batch, or if it lasts over so many days, you can even do per day on there. Okay, when this is the recalc day, if it lasts a long time. Okay, but that just gives you a rough idea of how you can do a batch on the S600 and recalculate the values.